Morning students, welcome to general science class. Now in this class we discuss about sieving and filtration. What is the sieving and what is filtration? Sieving, it is a separation technique method. Okay students, what is the sieving? Sieving is separation technique method. And what is filtration? Filtration is also separation technique method. The method of sieving is used for to separate tea leaves from tea and to separate sand from gravel and to separate husk particles from wheat flour. Okay students, what is the sieving method? Sieving method is separation technique method. This method is adapted to separate tea leaves from tea and to separate sand from gravel and to separate husk particles from wheat flour. In this separation methods, generally use that sieves. Okay, students. Now look at this is the sieve. Sieve, it has consisting of a number of tiny holes. Now we take that the sand. This is a gravel. This is the mixer. The mixture of sand, stones, mud particles, and dry leaves, also, etc. Now we want to separate sand from this gravel. We use that sieve. Okay, students, the sand particles, they are processed through the holes of the sieves and to collect on the table. The remaining of husk particles, they are left on the sieve. So this is a sieving method. Next one is we can prepare tea. What are the ingredients are to need to prepare the tea? This is a bowl and some milk. Some milk is poured in the bowl. Milk is poured in milk. Next one, to adding to tea leaves or tea powder. Tea powder or tea leaves, they are added to milk and to adding water to it and water to it. This is that and also to add the sugar. This is that the mixture of the contents of milk, tea leaves, water and sugar. This is that the mixture of contents they are put on the stove. Put on the stove. Okay, students, after the contents of milk, tea powder, sugar, and milk, they are put on the stove. This content is heat up sometimes. After we can prepare the tea. Now we want to separate the tea leaves and other ingredients from the tea. We can use that strainer. Okay, students, this is a strainer. This consisting of a mesh. This mesh is has a number of tiny holes. This is the sieve. This sieve is used for to separate the tea leaves from the tea. Okay, students, this is a strainer. Now use the strainer and to separate the tea leaves and other ingredients from the tea. Okay, students, the tea is collected in a glass beaker and to tea leaves and other ingredients they are left on that sieve. Okay, students, in this method, sieving is used for to separate the tea leaves from tea and to separate the sand from gravel and to separate the husk particles from wheat flour. We can use that. The separation technique method is sieving method. Next one is filtration. Filtration is also separation technique. This method is adapted for to separation mud particles. To separate mud particles from mud water. From mud water. And also to separate from precipitates are also separate from solutions. From solutions, we can use that the method of filtration. The method of filtration. Yes, friends, the filtration, it is also separation technique method. This method is adapted for we can separate the mud particles from mud water and to separate precipitates. Precipitates are separated from the solutions. We can use that the method of filtration. Okay, students, now we take that mud water, that is now pour some water in a glass beaker. And to adding some soil is added. Some soil is in addition to that water and stirred well with glass rod. Okay, students, this is that mud water. Now can you separate this mud particles from this mud water by use that the method of filtration. In this filtration method, we take a filter paper. Okay, students, this is a This is a filter paper. This paper you can use that to filtration of the given solutions or to separation of mud particles from the mud, to separate the precipitations from the given solutions. Use that filter paper. Now we take this filter paper. Now fold this filter paper in this way. After this filter paper is put in funnel. Okay, students, this filter paper is put in funnel. Now this funnel is placed in glass beaker, and to separate this mud particle from this mud water. Okay, students, now pour. Okay, students, now this mud water is poured in funnel. Now we see that the water is collected in the glass beaker, and the mud particles Students have noticed that the mud particles and other ingredients they are left on the filter papers. Now the mud water is extracted in this glass beaker. Okay, students, now this is that filtration method. In this filtration method, we use that filter paper. Okay, students, once again, we look at that board. Today, what we have to learn, we know about that the methods of sieving method and filtration method. Sieving it is a separation technique method. This method is adapted for to separate tea leaves from tea, and to separate sand from gravel, and to separate ash particles from wheat flour, and so on, etc. Next one is that filtration. Filtration is also separation technique method. This method is adapted for to separate mud particles from mud water, and to separate precipitates from the given solutions. Okay, students, tomorrow we'll continue next class. Thank you.